What's up, guys? This is Kiwi. Yeah, he's a little bit camera shy, but if you guys out there don't know who this is my parrot, Kiwi. He bit me, guys, in a try to turn of events. So, I mean, I'm not gonna hold him on my arm. He's a very, very, very bad bird. Oh, man, damn it, dudes. Look at this look at this thing. A little shit on my floor. Yes, this is the bird. And the bird, guys, I never talk about that much. Don't baby Kiwi. That's my dog, by the way. Right there, but. And that is my parakeet. His name is Skittles. Yeah, so that's my parakeet. I don't take him out that much because my parakeet is really hard to get out of the cage. It's Kiwi! He's not actually as green as you guys actually see it on the camera because I have my flash on. Recording. So yeah, this is Kiwi. Video number 2. He's had one hell of a happy bird. Peace.